Alright guys, here's the watch list I'm starting with for the chat room for tomorrow. NTAP, NTAP. This one's still hanging around. I made the video the other day. Still hanging around this area. You had kind of a topping tail here, but then it's right back up. So you really have to like this one up over recent highs. May happen tomorrow, may never happen, but it doesn't cost you anything to have it on a chart if you've got some free monitor space with a bunch of charts up. NTAP deserves to be on one of them. Agilent, the letter A, broke out. See that nice volume today, and up really close to breaking recent highs, even over the last year's highs. So pulled back on an intraday basis, but again, with that volume, it's a good candidate to have on watch for tomorrow. Again, just throw it on a chart. Office Depot, ODP, kind of trying to sneak up out of a little base here. Every once in a while, you see how narrow the daily candles are. Not a great trading prospect, but every once in a while, this thing can kind of break free a little bit, and you see a couple nice size candles there, at least relatively speaking, for this stock. And it looks like it might be trying to start something like that. So ODP on a chart, GTAT. You know, you kind of have some nice strength here right above this $4 area, and it's peeking through. You can see it got through the 200-day a couple days ago, right back down. Nice volume recently. This chart's had my attention for a while, but I've never done anything with it. This looks like it might start to get fast to the upside. Solar industry pretty hot lately, as you know if you trade it all. So this one's worth watching. AGNC, beaten up stock. Nice, you know, with 3-4 days straight down, but closed at its highs today with a little bottoming tail off support. So this one might be up tomorrow. It's worth watching. MDR, this is a little more obscure, but you know, this was 11 bucks about what, 6 sessions ago, and it's been straight down ever since. I don't know that this is ready to bounce tomorrow, but this one is starting to go on bounce watch for, at least for a bounce day trade one of these days. VALE, kind of the same deal, back down near recent lows. Almost a 5% yield. That might give this thing some support too. So VALE on bounce watch. And then a thinner stock but big volume today. I actually told the chat room that if this gets down below the IPO level from back here, that this could be a good bounce play somewhere around 12 bucks. Again, I didn't do anything with this, but you can see it did do a nice bounce under 12 today. And it's got an interesting chart now. It's a thinner stock, but 4.5 million today, and could be up from here. This kind of volume could be signaling it's turning, and I have this on long watch for tomorrow. And as always, we will find volume plays on an intraday basis with the teamwork in the chat room. So this is just the list I'm starting with. I may trade all of these, and I may trade none of these. It depends how the day unfolds. All right, I'll quit babbling, and we'll see you guys later.